Having a tough skin doesn't mean you have to use chemicals to bleach your skin before it will work. It just means that there are certain products that do not work for you, and there are certain products that work for you. Now, when it comes to skincare formulation, there are products that are more oil-based and there are products that are water-based. Now, it just means that you need a different kind of product from somebody who has a more sensitive skin. So if you want to learn on how to make products that are effective and will work for people with tough skin, then you definitely want to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be showing you how to make these products, and I'm going to be talking about why these products do not work for these people. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome and welcome back. My name is Cetyl, and on this channel I do beauty content like skincare product reviews, skincare DIY recipes. I do makeup and everything in between. So if what I have mentioned is something that you're interested in, you definitely want to subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video, and also give this video a thumbs up, share my videos, and talk to your friends about my channel. You know, I put out real authentic content, real recipes that will benefit you, so definitely subscribe down below. Now on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a very moisturizing cream that will help those people who say products don't penetrate into their skin. Now, if you're one of those people, the reason why products don't penetrate into your skin is because you're not using the right products. Now, there are products that are more oil-based and there are products that are more water-based. Now, if you have a very tough skin that makes it difficult for products to penetrate, that means you need products that will help soften your skin and bring that moisturizing effect, and then your products will penetrate easier. So today I'm going to be making this butter cream formula. Now, if you noticed, I didn't add any shea butter. I added cocoa butter, mango butter, and avocado butter. Why I didn't add any shea butter is because if you're going to be using this product on your face, it might cause breakouts on your skin. That's shea butter. So for people who don't have issues with shea butter breaking them out, you can definitely add shea butter. But if you do, just go ahead and use these butters that I have used here. As you guys know, butters are very, very high in fatty acids. They help to regenerate the skin, they help to moisturize and soften the skin. So that is why I am using a lot of that in this product. So if you are among the group of people who say products don't penetrate into my skin, products don't work for me, my skin is very tough, then this product is for you, and you can use it on your face and on your body. Now, I'm also going to be adding a few liquid oils like the palm kernel oil. Now, palm kernel oil is very beneficial for plumping and firming the skin. It is suitable for all skin types. It is great for, as a carrier oil, and it is very rich in antioxidants, and it contains a lot of vitamin E. And we all know that vitamin E is a very good antioxidant, and it helps to prevent the signs of aging, symptoms of aging, and it also prevents fine lines and helps delay sagging and wrinkle of the skin. So yes, I'm also going to be using papaya oil. Papaya oil contains a very good significant amount of vitamin C that can help combat wrinkles. It can help with large pores, acne, dark spots, and other skin issues. Now I'm going to go ahead to melt down my oils and then come back to show you the other ingredients that we're going to be incorporating in this formula. Now we're going to be using Giga White for this formula. All the ingredient recipes and measurements are going to be on the screen, so make sure you watch this video to the end to get all the measurements. Now I'm using Giga White because it is it's effective in treating dark spots, skin discoloration, and sun damaged skin. So if you have any sunburn, sunspots, this product is very good to help eliminate that condition. I'm also going to be using glutathione powder. Glutathione powder is very good for skin lightening, but it's best when it's paired with other ingredients that will help aid it. So I'm going to be using that as well to lighten the skin. All the measurements once again will be on the screen, so kindly watch this video to the end to get all the measurements for this recipe. Now we have our powders measured out. I am going to add my other ingredients that I will use to dissolve my powders. Now I don't want to heat my powders up in any way because I want to retain as much of its effectiveness as possible. So I'm just going to be using my glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant and it also is solubilizer, so you can use this glycerin to dissolve your powders and it will be safe. So here I am just going to use that to dissolve my powder. I'm not going to be heating it up, and it is okay as well if you don't want to heat it up in your double boiler. Now remember, I said that this product is for people who have very tough skin. Now it's not mainly only for them, even a normal person can use it, but for people who have very tough skin, yes, you can use this. Here our butters are almost melted. I'm doing the double boiler method. If you have a crock pot, a wax melter, or whatever you have, you can use that, but I'm using the double boiler method to do this. As you can see, my water is way under my pot. You don't want to put your container directly or your pot directly in the water. You just want the steam from the boiling water to heat up your product. So this is what I'm doing, and here we have it. Our oils have dissolved, and see how beautiful that is. Now at this point, if you want, you can add your hydrosol, but I decided not to add any water in this product, but you can definitely create a space for your hydrosol for, you know, better emulsion. But for this, I'm just making it like a butter, but you can add your hydrosol and make it into a cream, but at a very small percentage. If you want to learn more, you want to know more, you will want to join our upcoming training. The training starts on the 25th of January. It is almost here. The training is going to be on another level because we're going to be learning so much recipes. We're going to be creating recipes, we're going to be learning new recipes, and so many other things. I'm going to be teaching you how you can import your own skincare ingredients and so many other things. So you definitely want to take this time to join the training. And we also have our Patreon training that is starting on the 1st. That, if you want to join that, all the links are going to be in the description bar. Please check there and join the training. You will learn so many other recipes that are super effective. You can imagine the kind of recipes I give you on YouTube for free, and then imagine the ones that I will be giving you when you actually pay for it. So you want to join my training if you are interested in becoming your own skincare boss or starting your own skincare business. So here I am just adding my powders into the butter and oils that have been melted and making sure that everything is well combined. Now, like I said earlier, you can go ahead to add your hydrosol or your distilled water in a very small percentage if you want that creamy effect, but I wanted the butter effect. Now I'm going to be adding my whitening booster. This whitening booster is a miracle. If you haven't gotten it, you definitely want to get it for your product. It is super natural, very safe. There's no chemical, so you can call it a natural product. By the way, this is an organic product we're making, so of course everything that I'm going to be using will be natural. So I'm going to add that into our mixture and make sure that everything is well combined. Next, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a very good antioxidant that can help fight free radicals. So I'm going to be adding it into this product, and it also can act as a preservative for this product, even if I'm going to still add my preservative, but I'm going to be adding this for extra security. Make sure you watch this video till the very end, as I have a huge announcement to make, and I'm very sure it's going to benefit a whole lot of you, so watch till the end. For better incorporation, I'm going to use my whisk to whisk everything that I have added so far, so that nothing settles underneath, because like I said earlier, I didn't add any water in this product. So I'm just making sure that all my powders and everything that I have added are well combined. Make sure that every time you add your products, you mix it thoroughly so it combines with the other ingredients that have been added already. Now this is what our product looks like right now, the oils, the butters, and all the other products that we have added. I'm sorry about that fly. That fly has been disturbing me since. So I'm going to pop this into the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and whip this butter. Here, this is what I have after 30 minutes in the freezer. Now I'm just going to go ahead and whisk. So a lot of you have been sending me messages and saying that the ebook I said is 5,000 naira. Please note that the promo is over. Ebook is now 10,000 naira. It's no longer 5,000. The promo ended on the 31st of December. Now you want to whisk this for about 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how fluffy you want the product to be. Already you can see how it has changed color. It is now becoming really creamy. Now at this stage, I'm going to add my other ingredients. Now here is my lactic acid. Lactic acid is good for exfoliating the skin. It helps to brighten and smoothen and even out the skin, and it also makes it look firmer. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots, and it also helps products penetrate into the skin and also exfoliates the skin by loosening the bonds between dead skin cells to reveal a more radiant complexion. So yes, I'm going to be adding that. And also here is my preservative. Now a lot of you will say it's butter, it's just oils, why is she adding preservatives? Please, if you're going to be selling your products to customers, to people, and you're going to be keeping your products for a long period of time, you want to look for the appropriate preservative to add in your formulation, so that your products can stay longer without going bad and causing issues for your clients. Now I'm going to go ahead and whisk everything together until I get a fluffy result, or until it is almost or double the size that we have already. But before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and add my essential oil for scent, to eliminate some of the scent from the butters, and give my product a very beautiful smell. So now I'm going to add my frankincense oil, and frankincense oil has the ability to strengthen the skin and improve its tone. It also can help with the elasticity of the skin, and also fight against bacteria or blemishes, and other things. So yeah, I'm going to be adding that into the formula, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties and also helps to remodel the tissue too. So I'm going to be adding that into this product. As you can see, our product has doubled in size, and it looks really beautiful. Now this product looks softer because as you whisk, the more you whisk, the more heated up the product becomes. So once the product is cool, it will harden up and be more like butter. So this is my container that I'm going to be using to store my product. If you hear any sounds, please bear with me, neighbors. Anyways, so this is our product and this is our container that we're going to be using to store this product. If you want them, I have them for sale. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, please take this time to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And also leave me a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share my videos. Now, if you're in any part of the world and you would like to become my distributor, I am ready. A lot of you have been asking me, oh, do you have distributors here? Do you have distributors there? Now I am ready to have distributorship programs. So if you are in Lagos, if you're in Benin, if you're in Calabar, you're in Owerri, you're in Ghana, you're in South Africa, you're in the US, the UK, Canada, anywhere you are in the world, I am now open for distributorship. Just send me a message in the description, with the description bar. Send me a message with the link in the description bar. My WhatsApp link is down there. Just send me a message letting me know what products you want us. As a distributor, by the way, you have to carry all our products. So send me a message and we'll talk about how that will work out. I'm looking forward to working with so many of you and, you know, starting a business relationship with a lot of you. So if you're interested, send me a message wherever you are in the world. We will start that distributorship business and be on your way to making millions of money. Here is our product. I'm just testing it out to see how beautiful. It's very moisturizing, very moisturizing for the skin. You can use it on your face and on your body. Now, if you want to register for our training, please use the link in the description bar. So join the group. We have our first training is starting on the 25th of this month, January, and our Patreon training is starting on the 1st of February. First training starts on the 25th, and our second training, which is on the Patreon platform, is starting on the 1st of February. So if you haven't subscribed to my trainings, please take time to subscribe now. I am super grateful to every one of you who have stayed with me. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.